Hey guys, it's WT here from the Coin Alley, and this is our unboxing or unenveloping of the Crypto.com or the MCO Visa debit card. So we have the envelope. So it came into this square envelope here, and I guess it's from Jacksonville, Florida. But pretty plain envelope. Arrived in the mail yesterday. It was mailed on the 23rd, got here on the 27th. I'm going to try and do this with one hand, so please bear with me here. So here is the terms and conditions about the MCO prepaid Visa card, and the 50 tokens that are being staked or locked came in this envelope. Well, this cardboard packaging, this was inside of this envelope right here. And then you have the little thank you card, just thanking us for hanging in there, being, I guess, one of the few to, go along with them on this journey. I have the MCO Visa Ruby Steel card, and this is the packaging. So you got the packaging here, and then you have this pull tab. I'm going to have to set this phone on this thing here so I can open it and show you guys. Oh. So here we go. So when you pull this open, this is the card. It is metal. So we got our Ruby. This is the Visa Ruby Steel card. Visa debit. Names at the bottom. And the back is where your card number is. It does have the pay wave. There's a symbol right there. And I'll do the obligatory drop test so you can hear the metal. All right, so it's pretty solid. You can activate the card in the app, and then you'll be able to spend crypto. You can even link your fiat bank account. There's a this card, and it comes with the routing number and the account number. They actually started shipping this card to the United States on July 14th, so I'm pretty happy that I've received my card already. So you guys can definitely take a look at it. I think started this journey almost 2 years ago in reserving the card. It was available in Singapore for the longest while, and now it's available in the United States. So that's it. I will be posting another video later so you guys can see the card in action.